Hey, I'm going to show you how to replace the memory on the new Acer Aspire One D257. It's a lot easier than the older models. You don't have to completely remove the system board and all that. And I haven't seen a video on how to do this yet, so I thought I would share that with you. Fine screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, all you need. Let's shut it down. It's 7. I can do it this way. Flip it over, remove the battery. Battery's out. Open it up. There are 3 tabs to release the keyboard. 1, 2, and at number 3. There's a ZIF connector. Flip the little latch up, take the keyboard off. We'll put that keycap back on later. Now, you take out the screws that say door. These are all labeled with the size of the screw, M2 7.5 millimeter. You also have another label that says door. Take out all the ones that say door. Goes. And that one is hard to get out. Alright, we'll leave him in there. He is free. Looks like that's all of them. Flip it over. And remove the access cover. Wait. But wait, there's more. This is partially covered by a strip of Mylar, so maybe that's what's holding us up. Let's make sure he's loose. He's a little devil. There we go. And here you'll find your memory in a standard sodium socket. Lift it out. By the way, I'm standing on an anti-static mat, and if you don't have one, it's a good idea to discharge your static first. Discharge yourself. Touch something metal that's grounded, stove, etc., etc. Make sure you get all your snaps. And I didn't. Beautiful. Put the screws back in. Yeah, I suspect this screw says door underneath it there. Underneath this piece of Mylar. These things are all the same length screws, so you don't have to worry about them going back in the wrong spot. They're all 7.5 millimeter in twos. Almost there. Zip connector for the keyboard. Wish I could show you this, but can't really. And the keycap that I pulled off accidentally. Another good thing about this model, just snap back on. Alright, insert the battery. If you have trouble getting the battery in, check for the slots for this access door. There's little tabs underneath that this side goes in first and then the front goes down. So if you can't get the battery in, that's why. Let's give it a smoke test. Yeah, I know. It's 7. It can handle it. And from what I gather, these things can only take 2 gigs. Don't hold me to that because I'm not 100% sure, but it's all the info I could find on the web. And it's alive.